Aimsumy sent their hearing aid, the M2219, for my review, and I'm excited to try it out for the first time. I've tried other hearing aids in the past. We're going to see if this one stacks up. Let's really just look at everything from a first impression perspective. Operation guide, perfect. Okay, look at that. So this will give me apparently 30 hours of hearing aid activity plus 180 hours in the case. So here they are. Let's just look at the hearing aids themselves right now. Look at that. Whoops. They're so light, that's why they just fell off. So you've got a red and a blue, so of course left and right. This is extremely light. I can imagine really not feeling much. I can see on this side right here, and it's hard to see, but right there is kind of the prongs to charge it, so that's a really nice thing. I do like the little case here. It's nice and plush, nice and, yeah, very nice to carry with me at all times. So let's look at the rest of what's in here. Aha! This is what we're talking about here. This is the charging. This is not a case. Okay, so this is what it is. This is the case, and this is the charger. So this is USB-C right here, and we're going to see if they do provide you with a cable. They do provide you with a USB-C cable. Fantastic. And the little tool to clean the hearing aids as well, so great. They also, and I like this because everyone's different, they do provide you with little different tips. So depending on how wide, how small your ear is, whatever makes you, you know, to make you as comfortable as possible, of course. So let's look at how this will charge. Let me just do this so you guys can see a little bit better. There you go, that's a lot better. So, okay, so funny enough, I had it the other way around. So this kind of like feels like it fits, but no, look at this. This is much better, and as soon as you put them on, boom, they start charging just like that. Look at that. Perfect. So now I know I'm charging, I know it is connected, and that's great. So this is the way to go and do it. So that means USB-C in the front, I guess, if you want to put it this way. But yeah, left and right. So I'm just going to grab it now. So you put them on just like this, and I'm going to press the volume up for 3 seconds. And then you hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beeps that basically tell you it's turned on, it's turning on. It is wild how I can feel, I can hear everything. Now, the really cool thing about this is it's got 5 different levels of volume. So if I wanted, I go in the back there and I can bring this, and every time I touch it, oh, every time I bring the volume up, or down, it's giving me a feedback, a noise feedback, basically telling me, yep, you're going up, up, or down, down. Right now, I'm a little bit louder. I can feel, it's very strange. I can hear everything. Of course, I can hear myself speak, but it's in a different way. And of course, at first, when you wear these hearing aids, you will be wanting to wear them like 20, 30 minutes just to get accustomed every day. And then every week, you can add a little bit more time. And then in no time, you'll be able to, wow. I don't feel anything in my ear. I don't feel any weight on my ear. I mean, as you can see, it's in right now. I don't know what it looks like, but I mean, from the front, you can't tell I'm wearing them. It is very, very, like, I would probably hide this just like this. Look at that, just like that. You can't even tell. And this one here, I would hide it even better. And there you go, can't even tell. Yeah, and the really cool thing too is that it has active noise understanding or environmental sound understanding, which means it's always sending out signal, trying to capture signal to figure out what to take in and what to keep out, which is really, really nice. It's nice to know because, of course, you can say I am losing my hearing, but I'm not, you know, it's not impeding my life because I have something like this. I think this is fantastic. Love the fact that they do give you these extra tips for, you know, obviously different ears. Love that nice little carrying case. So, because of course, if I don't want to charge them and I'm just out and about and I just don't need them right away, I just take this off and put them in, and I am done. Oh, see, that thing just went in there. Yep, perfect. and I'm done. And it's in there. It will automatically shut off. I don't have to shut it off. There's no power off button. As soon as I turn it off, boom, it's right there. As soon as I take them off, it is in there, and I'm ready to charge it, or I'm ready to just carry it in that little case. They're extremely light. I keep on repeating this because it is so important for me to be able to have something on my head, on my ears, in my ears, that I barely can feel. The only thing that you will feel is the difference in sound quality, in hearing capability. I think this is fantastic. They did a fantastic job with this.